नेक्स्ट सेक्शन हमारा सिविल इंजीनियरिंग। A jar is filled with a liquid up to mark of 1 liter and weighted. The weight of liquid is found to be 5.5 Newton. The specific gravity of the liquid will be approximately. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है 0.56. The stopping sight distance for traffic control on highway depends on total reaction time of the driver. This time is best explained by PEV theory. Here V stand for options है violation time, vulnerable time, velocity time. करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा violation time. Generally, in case of pure bending, the bending moment is constant throughout and the shear force is options है maximum always, parabolic in shape, zero always, having a unit value. करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा zero always. As per IS 450/2000, the relationship between modulus of rupture FCR and characteristic tube compressive strength of concrete FCK is given by options है FCR is equal to 0.70 under root FCK, FCR is equal to 0.36 under root FCK, FCR is equal to 0.60 under root FCK, FCR is equal to 0.54 under root FCK. करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा FCR is equal to 0.70 FCK. For a triangular section of beam, the maximum shear stress occur at the options है 1/4 height of the beam section, neutral axis of the beam section, mid height of the beam section, base of the beam section. करेक्ट आंसर है mid height of beam section. 56 का करेक्ट आंसर है A. Next, the turbidity is the measure of relative clarity of a liquid water, and one of its of measurement is options है MPN, NTU, moles, grams. करेक्ट आंसर है NTU. The property by virtue of which a liquid opposes relative motion between its different layer is known as options है capillarity, surface tension, viscosity, density. करेक्ट आंसर है viscosity. Next, as per IS 450/2000, generally to test the specified compressive strength of concrete, the standard size of the cube of concrete taken is approximately options है 300 mm, 250 mm, 150 mm, 100 mm. करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा 150 mm. If a channel is protected on the bed and side with some kind of protecting material, the channel section cannot be scored up, and so there is no possibility of change of section or longitudinal slope. Then the channel is said to be in options है final regime, variable regime, unscored regime, permanent regime. करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा परमानेंट regime. So 61 का आंसर हो जाएगा 29.91. As part of mode of payment to the contractor, the form used for advance payment without any measurement for works only and not for supplies. Options है Form 28, Form 26 white, Form 25 white, Form 27 white. करेक्ट आंसर है Form 25 wide. The deflection of a simply supported beam at supports is generally options at twice the slope, maximum 0, half of slope. करेक्ट आंसर है 0. Generally, the angle of inclination of lacing bar in single or double lacing systems with the longitudinal axis of the built-up member should be between options are 90 to 120 degree, 40 to 70 degree, 5 to 9 degree, 10 to 20 degree. करेक्ट आंसर है 40 to 70 degree. Next is the component of IL based paint, which is used to adjust the viscosity of plant and which make it possible to spread the paint evenly on the surface is known as options है adulterate, vehicle, pigment, dryer. करेक्ट आंसर है vehicle. The test conducted to find out the presence of water soluble matter in sample of a stone is options है crystallization test, acid test, Smith test, freezing and thawing test. करेक्ट आंसर है Smith test. (68) का आंसर है 29.983 meter. For a given soil sample, the calcium carbide method is generally used to determine options है silt content, moisture content, specific gravity, density. करेक्ट आंसर है moisture content. The MKS unit of measurement for removal of paint or varnish of building is options है numbers, cubic meter, meter, square meter. करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा स्क्वायर मीटर. According to IS 456/2000, the slenderness ratio for a short column in both x and y direction should be options है less than 12, more than 12, 24, equal to 18, between 19 and 24. करेक्ट आंसर है less than 12. Generally, CBR test is penetration test meant for the evaluation of subgrade strength of roads and pavements. What is the full forms of CBR? तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा कैलिफोर्निया बियरिंग रेशियो. Generally, the diameter of rivet hole is made larger than nominal diameter of rivet Y. Options है 2.5 mm for rivet of nominal diameter exceeding 40 mm, 1.5 mm of rivets of nominal diameter equal to 40 mm, 1.5 mm for rivets of nominal diameter less than 25 mm, 2.5 mm for rivets of nominal diameter exceeding 25 mm. करेक्ट आंसर है 1.5 mm for rivets of nominal diameter less than 25 mm. The load at which the column bends from its initial position and the deflection still remains is known as options है permissible load, yield load, safe load, buckling load. करेक्ट आंसर है buckling load. Next, read the following statement and choose the correct answer. तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर है as true to is false. If Fck is the characteristic cube compressive strength of concrete in Newton per mm square, then the modulus of elasticity of concrete as per IS 456/2000 is assumed as options है 5000 under root Fck 3000 अंडर रूट एफ सी के, 1250 अंडर रूट एफ सी के, 2000 अंडर रूट एफ सी के। करेक्ट आंसर है 5000 अंडर रूट एफ सी के। For the wastewater treatment, generally grease and oil can be removed from the sewage before entering into sewer line by options are skimming tank, primary sedimentation tank, grit chamber, detritus tank. Correct answer है a skimming tank. The most common cause of acidity in water is options है nitrogen, sodium hydroxide, carbon dioxide and calcium. Correct answer हो जाएगा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड। नेक्स्ट है व्हेन एन ऑब्जेक्ट इज व्यूड फ्रॉम डिफरेंट डायरेक्शन एंड एट डिफरेंट डिस्टेंसेस द अपीयरेंस ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट विल बी डिफरेंट सच एज अ व्यू वेयर द ऑब्जेक्ट इज व्यूड फ्रॉम अ सिंगल पॉइंट एंड वेयर प्रोजेक्टर्स आर नॉट पैरेलल इज जनरली नोन एज। तो इसका करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा perspective view. Generally, a circle will appear on an isometric drawing as options है cycloid, parabola, circle, ellipse. Correct answer है ellipse. Next, the attendance of laborers in a construction site is kept in a document called muster roll, which is noted or recorded in which of the following forms, usually by the authorized agent as work supervisor. Options है Form 8, Form 16, Form 5A, Form 21. Correct answer है Form 21. In the analysis of the flow velocity of a fluid for a fixed instant of time, a space curve is drawn so that it is tangent everywhere to the velocity vector, then this curve is usually known as, correct answer है a streamline. Generally the product of hydration of cement compounds with water, which is quasi-amorphous material and also the principal binder of the hardened cement, is referred as ऑप्शन है CMS जेल, OCS जेल, CSM जेल, CSH जेल। करेक्ट आंसर है CSH जेल। The unit of payment and measurement of various items of construction work in MKS system are same with few expectation like earthwork. So earthwork in irrigation canal is measured in cubic meter, but payment is made ऑप्शन है per running meter, per 100 cubic meter, per 10 cubic meter, per meter depth. करेक्ट आंसर है इसका per 100 cubic meter. नेक्स्ट है IS 456/2000 recommends that minimum grade of concrete is reinforced concrete work shall not be less than, ऑप्शन है M10, M20, M25, M15. करेक्ट आंसर है M20. Next, the canal which is aligned along any ridge line is generally known as, options है labeled canal, contour canal, watershed canal, side slope canal. Correct answer है watershed canal. एट 7 का करेक्ट आंसर है बी. एट 8 का करेक्ट आंसर है ए. प्रोसिटी और वाइड रेशियो के रिलेशन से ये क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो जाएगा. नेक्स्ट है इन ऑर्थोग्राफिक प्रोजेक्शन द व्यू शोइंग द फ्लोर प्लान ऑफ बिल्डिंग इज, ऑप्शन है लेफ्ट साइड व्यू, सेक्शनल व्यू, फ्रंट व्यू, टॉप व्यू. करेक्ट आंसर है टॉप व्यू. विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ इंडोजिनस ट्री, ऑप्शन है बम्बू, टिक, देवदार, साल. करेक्ट आंसर है बैम्बू. नेक्स्ट है जनरली फॉर मिक्स्ड ट्रैफिक फ्रॉम प्रैक्टिकल कंसिडरेशन एज पर IRC गाइडलाइंस इन इंडिया द सुपर एलिवेशन इज कैलकुलेटेड फॉर? ऑप्शन है 20% ऑफ द डिजाइन स्पीड, 75% ऑफ द डिजाइन स्पीड, 25% ऑफ डिजाइन स्पीड, 15% ऑफ द डिजाइन स्पीड। करेक्ट आंसर है 75% ऑफ द डिजाइन स्पीड। For a particular steel section, which of the following options represent a ratio of plastic moment to yield moment? Options है load factor, shape factor, flexural rigidity, yield stress. Correct answer है shape factor. In limit state design method as per IS 456, the limiting value of depth of neutral axis for Fy is equal to 500 Newton per mm square. Grade of a steel shall be? Correct answer है 0.46. In a straight reach of channel section, maximum velocity usually occurs below the free surface at a depth of? The correct answer है A 0.05 to 0.15 of total depth of flow. Next is geometric design of highway, a type of vertical curve used to connect two gradients forming a convex curve is known as? Options है sag curve, summit curve, hyperbolic curve, straight curve. करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा summit curve. Reusable wastewater from residential, commercial and industrial bathroom sinks, bathtub, shower drains and clothes washing equipment drains is known as? Options है blue water, black water, brown water, grey water. करेक्ट आंसर है grey water. The depth of water required to bring the soil moisture content of a given soil up to its filled capacity is known as? Options है consumptive use efficiency, equivalent moisture, soil moisture deficiency, hygroscopic water. करेक्ट आंसर है soil moisture deficiency. For design purpose, the sill level of the canal head regulator is generally kept higher by a minimum of about 1 to 1.2 meter above the crest level of underslices, breast wall, bed level of barrage, crest level of barrage base. करेक्ट आंसर है crest level of underslices. Which of the following market forms of timber is in a round or rectangular form having diameter or side usually less than 300 mm and used as compression member in building in vertical position? Options है bulk, batten, log, post. करेक्ट आंसर है post. The Nagpur Road Plan, which is first 20-year road development plan, assumes which of the following pattern of road network? Options है a star and block pattern, radial and circular pattern, rectangular pattern, a star and grid pattern. करेक्ट आंसर है a star and grid pattern.